Some heroes don't get backup, they become the backup. In 1971, when enemy jets filled the sky, one man stood alone, not in a tank, not on the ground, but in the air. This is the story of pilot officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon, India's only Air Force officer to receive the Paramveer Chakra. Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was born in Isewal village, Ludhiana, Punjab, a land known for bravery and sacrifice. From a young age, he dreamed not of comfort, but of cockpit, the clouds, and the call of duty. He joined the Indian Air Force and was posted at Srinagar Air Base as a GNet fighter pilot, a small aircraft but deadly in skilled hands. During the Indo-Pak War of 1971, Srinagar Air Base became a prime target. That morning, Pakistani Sabri jets launched a surprise attack. Most Indian aircraft were grounded. The situation was chaos. Retreat was the safer option. But Sekhon did not wait. With bombs exploding around the runway and enemy jets circling above, he took off alone. No escort, no backup, just courage. Up in the air, Sekhon engaged multiple enemy fighter jets. Outnumbered, outgunned, but unstoppable. He shot down at least one enemy aircraft and damaged others, forcing them to retreat. His actions saved Srinagar Air Base, protecting not just planes but lives. But during the dogfight, his aircraft was hit. Pilot officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was martyred at just 26 years old. For his unmatched bravery, Sekhon was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest wartime gallantry award. To this day, he remains the only Indian Air Force officer to receive it, not because he flew the fastest jet, but because he chose duty over survival. In Border 2, Diljit Dosanjh steps into the role of Sekhon, and it could not be more fitting. A Punjabi portraying a Punjabi hero. Quiet intensity, fearless eyes, and a story that deserves to be told to new generations. This is not just acting, it's remembering a real hero. Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon did not live long enough to grow old, but he lived long enough to become immortal. Every time an Indian fighter jet takes off from Srinagar, his courage still flies with it. Border 2 does not just show a battle, it reminds us that a real heroes once fought it alone.